Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm going to be showing you how to break down a butternut squash. You see these a lot in the grocery store, especially in the fall and winter. They're delicious, they're wonderful, super versatile. Most people don't know how to deal with them and find them really intimidating, so I'm gonna show you how to break it down using a chef's knife. When looking for a chef's knife, find one that's comfortable for your hand and has nice balance. Anytime we're dealing with produce that is round, we wanna make it flat for when we're cutting it. So I'm gonna start by cutting the two ends off, just like so. I'm gonna flip it around. Next, I'm going to remove the neck of the butternut squash from the bulb and muscle through it. So now we're left with two pieces, both with flat bottoms. I'm just gonna start peeling now. I'm gonna work my knife from where you see the peel turn into that really beautiful orange flesh. I've got a couple pieces of peel still left. So I'm just gonna take my knife and kind of shave those off. So that looks nice and clean. And switch over to the bulb part. We're gonna kind of almost cut it in like facets, like a diamond. So I'm gonna come through, make a bunch of straight cuts, following the edge of the butternut squash. And I'm going to flip it upside down and work in the other direction. And then just take a little peek, nice and clean. Now the last thing we need to do is get the seeds out of this bulb part. All winter squash will have some sort of seeds. We don't want to eat those, so I'm just gonna take a nice big spoon, scoop it all out. Now that's all that's left to do is dice it with my left hand holding the squash against the cutting board, fingertips down, knuckles out. We're looking for a uniform size because it's going to ensure that everything cooks at the same speed. So I'm gonna eyeball 1/2 inch to inch thick strips. And for the neck, use that heel of your hand with your fingertips up and just use that extra kind of strength with your other hand to push the blade through. Perfect. You can roast your butternut squash in these beautiful rings like this, also fine, but I want them diced today. So just take your knife, work your way around that half ring. You're just gonna work your way through one at a time until you have all of your rings done. And then with these nice long planks that you get from the neck of the butternut squash, it's gonna be a more traditional style of dicing. And that is how you dice a butternut squash.